Respected teachers, Namaste to all. Again, welcome back to Diksha Online Teachers Training, Course 1, Clip Maths Textbook, Portfolio Activity, and Model 2, presenting by G. Lakshmi Nisamma, MPPS, Good. This is our portfolio activity. Here we have to prepare a suggestive activity in detail, that is whole class, group or individual, for the concept that we can teach in our class. A name, school, or as usual. Here, this is suggestible for class 4 and 5. Subject mathematics, concept mathematical operations. Those are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Objective to recall 4 mathematical operations. Learning outcome. Students will be able to recall the mathematical operations. That is the learning outcome. Then description of this activity. Maths is an important subject to master. This activity makes the children how to prepare a poster. This is a printable activity to use at the beginning of the school year as a get to know you activity. This is about the description. So it is best suggestible to use at the beginning of the school year. Then teaching learning process activity, whole class activity and individual activity. That is the teacher students will go to make the poster. Hence it is called poster making activity. Then the name of this activity is Figure Me Out. The tag is the year beginning maths activity, and the TLM is required for this activity or activity sheets. Then before going to do the activity, there is a warm-up activity. Under the teacher action and teacher dialogues are follows. The teacher action is the teacher asks the students to sit properly and participate in warm-up activity. Teacher dialogue. Students, today's warm-up activity is back to back. Can be played as a whole class or groups of 3. This is the name of our warm-up activity. Then the teacher asks the students to stand up and without looking at the other players' numbers, write the numbers between 2 and 9. The third player calls out the sum of the numbers and the winner is the person who can figure out what number the other player has first. This can be differentiated by increasing or decreasing the numbers. The children will enjoy with this warm-up activity and participated in the activity actively. Then activity. Here the teacher asks the students to sit properly and participate in the activity given. Then the teacher shows the Figure Me Out model activity poster making sheet to all the students. Then the teacher supplies printed empty activity worksheet to all. Then the teacher asks the students to do this activity individually. Then this is the model activity sheet and the other one is empty printed model sheets. This is the Figure Me Out poster. In this poster, some examples are given for the different mathematical operations, that is plus, minus, into, division. And the first example is my birth date. Here 13 into 13. Here the mathematical operation is multiplication. 13 3s are 39. So her age is 39 years. Then the second one is my shoes size. Here 36 is divided by 4. Here the mathematical operation is division. 4 9s are 36. So her shoe size is 9. Then next one is my birth month. 77 is divided by 7. So 7 11s are 77. So the 11 is the her birth month. Like this the remaining one are also done here. Based on this model activity sheet, the children are going to fill the empty printed sheet. The children can enjoy very well with some more examples. They can fill the sheet and they make a good, better and well planned poster. Then practicing skill. Then the students prepare the poster as same as the model poster. Here some of the, with some good examples, the children can prepare the posters using different concepts for knowing the mathematical operations. Then conclusion. Maths is an important subject to master. Students will apply the concepts in their daily life situations and they can solve the mathematical problems logically in their regular life. Activity incorporates numbers into a pace of about students' own lives. This is about the conclusion of this poster making activity. Thank you one and all. Stay tuned for upcoming portfolios. This portfolio activity is presented by G. Lakshmi Samay, GT, and PPS Guttu, Ranatapur, Penkoda, Andhra Pradesh. Thank you one and all.